Hey guys, if you are looking for best underwater camera, you choice right video. Today we going to review top 5 best underwater camera. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Olympus TG6 Red underwater camera. If you're looking for an exceptionally durable and reliable waterproof camera, the Olympus Tough is a good choice. This underwater camera's unique selling point is that it's waterproof, shockproof, crushproof, and freeze-proof. Besides its durability, it also takes excellent photos and can capture a water drop in 4K resolution. The Olympus Tough zoom can extend up to 8 times, so small details in the distance are easy to capture. Image quality, even without editing, is vivid and bright. The Olympus TG6 has a very unique lens that allows incredible macro photography without any external lens. The microscope mode allows focusing from as close as 1 inch, and while this camera doesn't have a full manual mode, you can actually get professional shots with this tiny compact. Perfect for shallow dives, snorkeling, and swimming with 5 underwater shooting modes, the Tough underwater camera is also suited to other outdoor pursuits. One of the most durable picks on the market, this underwater camera is a great choice for shallow dives, snorkeling, and people who want a camera they can take anywhere. At number 2, Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition Action Camera. Insta360 prides itself on innovative and creative tools that have helped create a new niche inside the action camera market. Established in 2014, the company was quickly propelled to the forefront of the industry and has become a world leader in 360-degree video cams with quality products such as the Insta360 ONE X. Building on this success, Insta360 introduced the world to the ONE R, an ambitious offering featuring a modular platform that allows users to easily switch between camera types. A range of options is available when purchasing the ONE R, which we'll go into later. The Twin Edition features the 4K wide-angle shooter and 360-degree cam options, while the 1-inch edition features a 5.3K shooter with a 1-inch sensor. For this review, we're going to focus on the Twin Edition, which features the 4K wide-angle shooter and 360-degree cam options. Now number 3, GoPro Hero 7 Black Waterproof Action Camera. This camera is a great combination between a GoPro alternative and past Sealife cameras like the DC2000. Sealife have been making underwater cameras for many years, and they've used action camera technology with dedicated software to make this basic all-around underwater camera. Share experiences you can't capture with your phone. Hero 7 Black is rugged, waterproof without a housing to 33 feet, 10 meters, and up for any adventure. Stay in the moment. Control your Hero 7 Black hands-free with voice commands like GoPro, take a photo, and GoPro, start recording. Get the best photos automatically. With Super Photo, Hero 7 Black intelligently applies HDR, local tone mapping or noise reduction to optimize your shots. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move about a scene. Increase the speed up to 30x to turn longer activities into shareable moments. Hero 7 Black shoots stunning 4K 60 video and 12MP photos that are as awesome as the moments themselves. This would make an excellent choice for beginners, super easy to use, versatile and inexpensive. Now our next choice is Panasonic Lumix LX100 II. The Panasonic Lumix LX100 is the next generation version of the Panasonic LX10 we reviewed previously. Unlike its earlier model, the LX100 II offers features to prevent any handshaking disruptions and ensure still videos and focused snaps. With 4K HD resolution, this camera captures high-quality photos and videos that make it a breeze to capture all your underwater moments. Additionally, outside of its housing, it makes a great on-land camera. We really like the macro shooting mode, perfect for nudist and shrimp. And in regards to its zoom, it captures the smallest details in the distance with exceptional clarity. Vloggers, casual photographers, and ardent underwater photographers alike all rate the LX100 II for its ease of use and excellent quality images and video. For an easy-to-use camera that performs equally well underwater as it does on land, you can't go past the Lumix LX100 II. And our last product is Sony Alpha A7 II. If you're after an underwater camera that boasts professional level picture quality, the Sony Alpha A7 IV is a one-stop shop. An outstanding 24.3 megapixel camera, It guarantees that each detail is captured perfectly, while the world's first 5-axis image stabilization design means great snaps even in your swaying in a current. Likewise, video quality is exceptional. Pair your Sony a7 II with an EK-Lite housing and you're all set to roam the reef safe in the knowledge your camera is secure. You won't be weighed down by it either. The mirrorless design makes the Alpha A7 II much lighter than expected given all its features. On the whole, this camera is a solid pick, especially if you're looking for the impressive standstill image technology. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.